Now every time you touch an emoji, you make $30. Yes, that's right. When you touch it again, you make $60. Now let's try when you touch this emoji for 10 times. You make $300. And there are absolutely no limits. You can make as much money as you want, whenever you want, by simply using a mobile phone or computer. Isn't that crazy? I couldn't believe it when I first discovered this money-making trick. So I spend most time studying and learn exactly how everything works. And now I'm making this video to save you a bunch of time to simply watch this short video and copy exactly what I do. Then you can start making money as soon as today. And oh, wait, before I forget, this method is 100% free, so you don't have to spend or invest any money. You can simply apply this method from any country in the world. So stay tuned and let's keep touching emojis and make a lot of money together. But before we start, welcome to Finance Girl, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. Before we go to the website, you first need to set up and have your very own PayPal account. So head on over to paypal.com and set up an entirely free account by clicking this button over here. Just provide the needed details and log in to your very own PayPal account. If you don't want that option or don't want to do that, you can set up your own bank account online by searching in the Google online bank account in my country and sign up for an entirely free account on that online banking website. Now that you have that, first of all, I want you to come over to this website, which is flaticon.com. As you can see here, you can access over 3 million vector icons, and of course, including emojis. So take a look at this. All of the emojis and all of the icons right here, we can actually use them to make money online, and you can get them for absolutely free on this website. Now when you come over to the homepage of flaticon.com, I want you to go ahead and click on this register button on top. And then you're going to come over to this page. You can see here where you can register to the website. Now when you go down below here, you just have to put in your username, your email address, your password, and just click on this sign up button. Now once you sign up for a free account, I want you to scroll down to the bottom of the website. As you can see here, you can look for this one right here under apps. And then you can click on this link, which is a patterns generator. I want you to click on this link. Once you click on that link, it's going to come over to this page where you can look for different emojis just like these. Simply click and touch on them, and we can create a new emoji design for 100% free of this website, which will then show you to make using those emojis. Make sure you watch until the end so you can make money. Now as you can see here, there are so many different emojis that you can just click on them, and then they're going to show up right here on this section. For example, when I click on this emoji, we can see that they're gonna show up here on this canvas. For example, when clicking on another emoji, I want to click on this emoji, and this will show up here again. This is a brand new and very easy and cool software, which is absolutely free that you could use to generate different emojis. So touch on them, and you can create different emoji designs. Now check this out. Other than emojis, I can look for different icons, and I can just click them, and then they'll show up here on these pictures as a new design. For example, if I like this icon, just simply click on them, and they'll show up here again. I can just simply drag it and drop it to whatever place I like to. So that's exactly how to create a brand new emoji design using all of these 3 emojis. I can actually change the color of the background when I click on this background icon right here on the left. You can see here, you want to select whatever background you want. So say for example, if I want a yellow color background, or if you want a blue color background, you can choose whatever background color you'd like. I want you to keep watching the video because I'll show you how to use these emojis and with these designs to actually make money. Now once you're satisfied with your designs, you can just click on this download button right here. Once you click on the download button, you must select the PNG format as you can see here. There are many different formats, and I want you to choose PNG. And then for the tile size, make sure you select 350, and the image size is 700 by 350. So this is actually a preview of your design. Now once you're satisfied, just click on the download pattern, this button right here, and then it gets saved in the downloads on my computer. Again, you can do this on your mobile phone. You can do this on your laptop or any device. It doesn't even matter. Now let's say if you want to create a second new design and you want to make even more money, you can just click on this clear button right here to remove all of the previous designs. So usually, what I love to do is that I'm going to click on this button right here, which is random patterns. So this is a very cool strategy, so make sure to pay close attention. As you can see here, once I click on that random patterns button, they're gonna simply give me a lot of different templates and designs and show me different image designs, which you can see here on the screen. So right now, I can add something that I like on the design. Let's say, for example, this right here, and this one as well. I can just simply add whatever I want, and you can just drag it and drop it to the place that you want. And again, we can change the background of this. As you can see, this is a pretty cool emoji design, which you can turn that into real and actual money. Now don't worry, it's actually much easier than what you think. Keep watching to see a lot of real-life examples. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Once you understand exactly how you can use flaticon.com to simply click and touch on different emojis and create a beautiful emoji designs, the next thing is that I want you to go on to 99designs.com. So right on this website, you and I have the opportunity to upload those designs, just like this right here, and we can make a lot of money on the internet. So real quick, let me show you exactly how much money you can earn. For example, if you're selling for 30 different designs, you can get $299. And when you sell for 60 different designs, you can earn $499. And when you sell 90 designs, you can sell for $899. And so on and so forth. Their earning potential is crazy. So this right here is actually one design pattern. And again, you can repeat this as much as you want to create multiple different designs and upload them on 99designs.com. And then you can start making money online depending on how many designs you can actually create. And if you want to make even more money, go on to flaticon.com and use the random pattern generator. And then they're going to give you a bunch of different done-for-you templates. And with this free software right here, you can do it very quickly. You can change the background color if you don't like it. Or otherwise, you can just click on this button to create a lot of different random patterns. A lot of different designs, so many different templates, and you can just add something. Add an emoji on the design to make it even more professional. So right now, I will show you how to sign up for a free account on 99designs.com. Now when you scroll down to the bottom of this website and under the resources section, you can see here, become a designer. I want you to click on this link right here, and then you're going to come over to this page, and when you scroll down below here, you can look for this red button which says apply now. Click on this button right here, and then you're going to come over to this page where you can sign up for a free account. Just put in your email address, your password, and make sure to tick off this one which says I am a designer, and also put in your display right here and tick on this I've read and agreed to the terms of use and privacy policy. Now once you fill in all the details, just go and click on the register button, and then you can start uploading on this website, selling for different prices depending on the design concept, and you can upload all this website. So right now, as a bonus tip, I'm gonna give you this second website where you can make money using emojis that you downloaded for free. I want you to go on to fiverr.com. So when you scroll down to the website, you're gonna see here there are different categories of service they offer on Fiverr and earn money. Let's say, for example, on graphic design. As you can see here, pattern design. This is actually a brand new gig and category of this website. Basically, a new way to make money on this platform, which has little to no competition. They have no other people talking about these right now because it's a brand new opportunity, and you get to jump on this because you are my subscriber and you are watching this video. So make sure you smash that like button and subscribe for more latest money-making tricks. So you can see here, there are so many different people and they're selling these services right now. This is the exact same thing which I showed you just now. They're creating design patterns which you can do exactly the same thing using flaticon.com for absolutely free. And a lot of people are taking advantage of this one right now, and they're making thousands of dollars on Fiverr. So take a look at this. This right here is selling for this amount, and this one is selling for this amount of money as well. And people are leaving a review after buying these services. So real quick, let's just go to an online calculator. So if 85 people buy your service, and each one of them pays you $40, then that's exactly $3,400 by simply selling some pattern designs and emoji designs on this website. And once again, the best thing about this is that you can do it for absolutely free using flaticon.com. So if you want to sign up for a free account and start making money on this opportunity on pattern design, you can just go ahead and click on this Become a Seller button on top. And then you're gonna come over to this page. I want you to click on this green button right here to become a seller. So right now, you just have to put in your email address and just click on the continue button. As simple as that. Don't forget that you can upload the same emoji pattern design on 99designs.com as well that we just spoke about earlier. You can sell or upload on both websites at the same time. You can do 2 streams of passive income for absolutely free using the flaticon.com free emoji generator software. And that's it! This is Finance Girl. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Smash the like button and I'll see you in the next video.